Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. If you have been following for a little while, you already know what my channel is about, but just in case you are watching this face for the first time, do take a moment to watch out my previous videos. That will give you a glimpse that what my channel is all about. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the Karwa Chauth look. Now I'm wearing a particular kurti, which is a double layered kurti from Meesho, and I will definitely share a haul about what is my take on the purchase on Meesho. I have purchased few kurtis and few pieces here and there, and I will surely make a complete video of the Meesho haul. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So the first thing I have already done is I have washed my face, cleansed my face, and first thing I always start with the primer. So today the primer that I am going to use is this MAC Infallible Primer. So I'm just gonna prime my face before we apply any of the makeup. So that is a little hinge of skin prep that every makeup requires, and also primer forms a very good layer between your makeup and your skin, and to some extent it also reduces any of kind of skin damage that that your makeup might cause to the skin. So that is there, and I think that's why primer is very important, and I love using this Naleo primer. And also the primer that I have already mentioned is Huda Beauty. For the other primers, you can definitely go ahead with the Swiss Beauty as well, and I think that is also one of the best primers. I'm so sorry for this. I've already primed up my skin, and also that closes all the pores which is available on your skin, and at the same time do not forget to do it over the eyes as well. Then I will let the makeup the primer to set up and completely absorb. I will quickly moisturize my lips. I'm using this Maybelline Baby Lips Bloom. It's very important that you prep up your lips as well, because just in case if you use liquid matte lip color, the lip shade, then it will quickly moisturize your face, your lips. The next thing, I'm taking this high coverage waterproof foundation from Swiss Beauty. Now I have made a separate video of the affordable makeups that I kind of purchased from Ishita, and I got this also from her at a very discounted rate, by the way, and you can definitely go ahead and check out that video. So I'm just gonna quickly apply this. You can definitely use the makeup brush. The main difference that I found with when you blend your makeup with the makeup brush and your finger is, when you do it with the help of brush, it kind of stays for a really long time, guys. I think that is the major difference I've ever experienced with the makeup with the help of your finger and with the help of makeup brush. So this is a high coverage foundation, guys, as you can see, and also I will apply it on the neck area. Now if you're wondering from where I got these earrings, this is from Voila, and I think that is completely my favorite brand. I think I got it from Myntra, so you can definitely go ahead and get yourself this. So it's a really amazing full coverage foundation. Okay, I completely covered that. Whatever is remaining, you can definitely put in your eye. Then the next step is I'm gonna set this entire foundation with the help of compact. Here I'm using Naleo 2-in-1 prime compact. I think this also I got it from Ishita, so you can definitely go ahead the video and check out the video of what's new and affordable. I think that's where I've completely mentioned about this complete product, and this is really a good product. And I will be using this shimmery kind of foundation to set my base. It's one of the beautiful that so I have completely set my foundation with the help of this compact, and I really like how it turned out to be. The next thing which I will be doing is definitely the eye makeup. Now I want to keep that very simple, so I will be using this small palette which is from Mars, the Modern Collection palette. I will make a separate video of this from where I got it, and it's a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. So this is the basic eyeshadow palette that I will be using with some basic colors. So I'm going to use this as a base, and the brush that I will be using is this great fluffy brush. I think you should be doing this up till the crease. So I'm gonna just give it a transition shade. So I'm gonna so since I'm wearing red, I'm gonna have the eye makeup as complete red. If you are really not comfortable, then you can definitely use a hack of putting a sellotape so that anytime and every time the eyeshadow goes out, you will be able to prevent that. To make the makeup a little faster, I'm just using the middle finger to do it really fast. I think that is something that fastens my eye makeup. And also with the help of a flat brush, I'm just gonna do in the lower lash line. Okay, great. So after that, since I'm wearing red, I am gonna take this shade, kind of maroonish, not red, and with the same fluffy brush, I'm just gonna place it in the upper eyelid. So you can use definitely this kind of brush. It's a kind of angular brush, so that will make your job a little easy. Or you can definitely use your fingers. That is more convenient, I guess. I'm not sure how many guys will agree on this, but I think that makes the work real easy, like real easy. So since it is a kind of festive season, so I will make it a little glittery by using, so this is a 7C's magnifying eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use this kind of glitter to actually give this makeup look a little festive one. So I'm just gonna place it above that red area. And then with the help of the same fluffy brush, I'm just gonna build up the crease with the same color. So that will give a little bit of kind of transition that I wanted. and then with the help of the same brush I will do the lower lash line. Okay, so that's pretty much, and I will be doing the next thing with this highlighter. Now you can use any of the highlighters, but I'm using this Shivana contour highlighter. So this is a beautiful highlighter and I really love this highlighter over anything. I think the blush is also very good of this palette, so I'm gonna use this. Dab the excess definitely, and then I'm just gonna blend it. The next thing I will be doing the contour. So for the contour I am using a particular stick from the the contour stick. This is the Defining Duet contour. So one has a highlighter, one has a contour. So this is a highlighter part, and which I never use, and this is a contour part. So I'm gonna contour my cheek because my face is a little bulgy, so I really wanted to do the contour part. And then definitely you need to blend this really well, because always in the upward direction, guys. So that will give you a little effect of chiseled face. And then definitely you can do it over the jawline. So I'm not gonna do the jawline. Okay, the next thing, we are not yet done with our the eye thing. So I'm gonna use the eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner from Swiss Beauty, and I think first defining it, a shape to the eyes is very important. Just gonna do that. I will be doing a wing liner, by the way. This is a liner I really like, by the way, guys. You can use any of the eyeliner, guys, that's completely your choice. And I'm done with the liner, done with the contour as well. And the next thing is a little contour over the nose. So I always do contour over the nose. My nose is not that sharp, so I'm definitely gonna do this. And then that's a little hack. And then definitely in the bridge of the nose, you can use the same highlighter. You can use any highlighter, by the way, guys, and I am using this particular highlighter from Shivana, and I'm just gonna brush it off. Then definitely after that I'm gonna highlight the other area. And the first and the next thing is definitely I'll change my earrings. I'm having this earring, but I think I will be moving that into jhumka. And here and there a little makeup is remaining, which is bindi, and then the sindoor part. So I got this beautiful jhumki from Instagram store. I will definitely try and give you the link in the description box. You can check that out. The next thing, I will be doing a little bit of bronzer. You can do it of your choice. I am taking Mars, this kind of gold, and that will create a little. I have also used the finger rings. These are the two finger rings that I've used, which is very appropriate to my dress. I hope you also liked it. And This is very pigmented, so once you overdo with it, you need to really blend it. Then I'm gonna use the blush, and I'm using the same palette, which is Shivana's palette, and I am just not to look like a clown, but I'm just gonna blend it real good. And then definitely I will be doing my bindi. That is something which is, I think, very mandate, specifically in the Karwa Chauth. So I'm using a simple bindi with the outfit, and definitely in our Karwa Chauth you have to wear the red one, and definitely because the outfit is red, so I'm gonna take this beautiful bindi. You can definitely have your Mang Tika, but it's not very compulsory. So this is my first Karwa Chauth after the marriage, so I think I'm not sure about this Mang Tika and all. Then definitely we'll do the eyelashes, because that is something I don't use falsies, by the way. So if you use falsie, then definitely that is very convenient, but I do not use falsies. So I'm definitely gonna use the mascara. I'm using this neon mascara, and I'm gonna apply this real quick. This is a very beautiful voluminous mascara. And then definitely the lower lash line. So that's pretty much. Then the last thing, and definitely the most favorite thing, is your lip color. Now I'm using this chubby stick, and this is from InShine, and I'm in the shade Flare Magenta. I'm just gonna apply this. This is my favorite, by the way, guys, and I'm just gonna apply and complete this look. By the way, that Maybelline lip color already had a color or tint, but just gonna do with this. And that's pretty much for my complete look. You can definitely fix it with a makeup fixer. And I forgot one more thing, is to do the brows. I recently did my brows, so I completely forgot about that, but just in case you want to do it, you can definitely do it. Let me finish my complete look with the brows. Actually yesterday itself I did my brows, so I completely forgot about that. I think that was not even required, but definitely the brows part is something you can definitely check out. And I'll give you a close pic how the entire look turned out to be. So that's how my entire look turned out to be. So happy Karwa Chauth in advance, and I hope this tutorial was a little helpful of the entire look and how it turned out. So I think that's how you are going to celebrate your Karwa Chauth. So happy Karwa Chauth in advance, and may we all have a very good day. May we get to see the moon real sweet soon, and we can break out our fast and then definitely do the puja. So that's pretty much for today's video. I will definitely see you in the next video. Do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment me, and please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My handles are in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. The last thing which we do is the sindoor. So I'm using this color bar sindoor, so you can use any of the sindoor and then complete this entire Karwa Chauth look. So that's pretty much for today's video, and I hope you really loved it.